Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Nomad Flair here. Today we'll be taking a look at the Trimui Smart Pro, which I've previously reviewed. However, this time Mech DIY has sent me an updated version, now running the new Crossmix OS software. This update brings more customization options and significantly enhances the user experience. I'll be walking you through the new apps, customization features and gameplay on various systems. So this isn't going to be the full review of the Trimui Smart Pro itself. If you want to check that out, you can click on the pop-up cards or find the link in the description below. Also, links to purchase the Trimui Smart Pro with the new Crossmix software are in the description below. So let's dive into it. The Trimui Smart Pro arrives well packaged and comes in 3 different color options. On the back, you'll see some of its key features, like the 4.96-inch IPS LCD screen. Inside, the first thing you'll notice is the buttons manual. And underneath that is the memory card with the preloaded games. There are a few options that you can go for. You can either get the standalone console and install your own games, or you can go for memory cards with different storage options, which have pre-installed games. I usually go for the pre-installed option. It saves me time, though I can always download and add my own games later. Now let's take a look at the device itself. I chose the white color, which looks really clean. It also comes with a screen protector on it, which explains the air bubbles. You might want to take this off. On the front, you've got the usual D-pad, which feels nice and responsive, the thumbsticks, the menu and start button, followed by the select button, and the X, A, B, Y buttons, which feel great. At the top, we have the L and R triggers. The layout and the buttons are the same as in my previous review, but as I mentioned before, the analog sticks could benefit from being a bit longer to increase the range of motion instead of being flush against the device. Also, the L2 and R2 buttons should be larger than the L and R buttons, preferably similar to that on the Nintendo Switch, just to prevent you from mistakenly pressing the wrong buttons. Next, there's a power button, which also serves as a sleep button, along with the volume controls and a host port, which I never really use. At the bottom, you'll find the FN button, which acts as a shortcut to enable disable features like the ring lights. There's also the charging port, a mic, micro SD slot, and the wired headphone jack. You can even attach a hand or neck strap if you like. Underneath, you'll find the USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Now let's insert the memory card and power it on to explore what the Crossmix software offers compared to the previous Linux OS system. Starting with the favorites tab, this is where you can save your favorite games for quick access. The recent tab shows you a list of games that you've played recently. One of my favorite additions is the best tab, which features classic games like the Zelda collection, Ninja Turtles, and Sonic, amongst others. The games are displayed as a list going downwards, with an image on the side showing you what they look like. There's also a vertical shooter folder, which consists of games that can be played vertically and look really cool. In the emulators tab, you'll find a wide selection of systems supported by the Trimui. This is a major upgrade compared to the previous software, as it supports way more systems than before. Depending on the memory card size you choose, there is a large range of games available for each system. Next, let's dive into the apps. Starting with the FN settings, this multifunctional button allows you to quickly enable disable features like the ring lights. Moonlight lets you stream games from your PC, and the media player allows you to watch videos saved on your memory card. There's also USB storage, RetroArch with its PS4-like interface, and an emulator cleaner. A standout feature for me is the Screen Recorder app, which lets you record your gameplay and then download it onto your laptop and share it on social media. There's also the Port Master app, which you can find more games to play. Finally, System Tools. This provides extra customization options like adjusting overlays, sounds, and even the color of the LED ring lights, something that we couldn't do using the Linux software. In the general settings, you can tweak various visual settings such as the brightness, LED brightness, contrast, saturation, etc. You can also turn the LED lights on and off, adjust the volume, and set the rumble intensity. One of the best improvements is the ability to connect to Wi-Fi and update the device without needing to go through the hassle of downloading the update to your memory card. Another great addition is Bluetooth support. I was excited to try this to see if my AirPods can connect to the Trimui and if I can use that instead of wired headphones. After trying this out, I can confirm it works perfectly. You also have the option to change the device's theme. There are several cool options to go for, including a Pokemon theme. You also have a range of different language options on the Trimui Smart Pro. Now let's test some games across different systems to see how well the Trimui Smart Pro can handle them. From what I've tested so far, the gameplay is flawless. Games run smoothly and the 1280 by 720 IPS screen makes the visuals pop. I didn't experience any jitters or lag, the battery life still remains solid at around 5 hours, and the new software has truly elevated the device with its customization options, wireless connectivity, and easier updates. So all in all, the Trimui Smart Pro with the Crossmix software is a fantastic handheld emulator, especially for its price. If you're considering picking one up, I highly recommend it. Links to purchase are in the description below, and I've also added a link to my full review of the device. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, make sure you like and subscribe for more tech and gaming related content. And until next time everyone, take care.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.